Hi, my name is Flora from Team Matrix, and I will be presenting the proposal on behalf of my team. To give an overview of ARF, the dog food brand we choose to deep dive in, the sales volume of ARF ranked the third out of a total of 25 brands due to the high percentage of ARF's consumers with ad experience. Also, the number of subscription and save also ranked the third. In the next page, we analyzed the current customer profile of ARF. For instance, about 66% of customers are middle-aged, and there is no gender or marital preference among its customers. So coming to the statement of purpose, our main mission is to optimize the long-term effects of advertisement by displaying it to the appropriate consumers of ARF based on the consumer demographic. And our main hypothesis is that based on past sales records, if advertising to consumers with similar attributions to past consumers, the probability that they will make a purchase will be higher. And by implementing our model, we hope to increase the order volume of ARF and the number of potential loyal customers. Our main method is to use K-means clustering to group customers based on their demographic dimensions. And if we input the brand ARF with features into our function, we will know which group the new data point is the closest to and thus belongs to. And after matching the new data point with the group, the appropriateness can be calculated. Here we outline the main steps of our methodology. After we process the dataset, we build our model using the K-means method. Features of our cluster include state, gender, income, age, and education. Then we assess the correlation by measuring 1 divided by Euclidean distance towards the corresponding cluster centroid. And it should be noted that during the modeling process, if data for age is missing, we replace that with the average age of the dataset. And if data of any other feature is missing, we replace that with the mode of the dataset. And here we present a demo of our predictive model. For example, if the customer is a female from North Carolina with college degree, earns more than 100K and ages between 45 and 54, then the model will return 0.484 and she will belong to group 2. The major limitation of our current approach is that we are focusing on one brand only and the function is only applicable to the given variables. And future improvement can be achieved by generalizing to clusters of different sizes and shapes, and using NLP to do further research on different products of the brand. And we can also increase the accuracy of the model by considering more variables in the brand. And we can make the definition of appropriateness more comprehensive by integrating the concept of brand loyalty, for example. And we believe that both ARF and Amazon can benefit from implementing our model. For instance, this will allow ARF to better understand their brand positioning, improve brand recognition, and target customers more precisely. And this will definitely, in the short term, increase their ad revenue and help ARF maximizing their return on ad spending. And in the long term, it will increase their customer loyalty and reinforce its brand value. And for Amazon, this can increase the probability that a specific group of people will watch the ad, thus driving the revenue of Amazon and increase their customer satisfaction rate. And in the long term, this can also drive them to increase the Prime membership. Finally, coming to the model evaluation, this model is subject to the following limitations. In real-world marketing, obtaining 100% accurate customer information might be very challenging, and also we need to consider other metrics such as click-through rate and conversion rate to obtain a more complete mix of metrics. And to do this, more tech support is needed. And also, to make ARF's business more sustainable, we would like to integrate the subscription rate into the metrics of appropriateness. So this comes to an end of our presentation. Thank you for listening.